What's up, YouTube? Zan back at it. We're in the garage. We're working on a GS650L. Already got the starter cover back on. I just tightened that down. I was on a phone call, so got that. New plugs are ordered, batteries ordered, oil filters ordered, which I think is behind this. This is a drain plug here. There's another one on the bottom. We're going to drain this out. I got a new toy in the garage. This is a lift. That goes on my lift, a lift for a lift. This will help drop engines out of bikes, including that one that's got to come out. Got to get a specialty nut that we ordered for that. So game plan today is get the carbs back together. I cleaned the bottom of the bowls because they looked okay. And I don't want to take anything much more apart until I get this battery in and test fire, because it sounds like from my little test there that the battery really was the problem. And I don't want to use my 650 battery, my personal battery for that 650. Why is there Pepsi in my 650? Anyways, I don't want to use the battery for that on this in case there's something else wrong in here. I'd rather blow up his battery, not mine. Right? Okay. Other things we're going to try to take care of, possibly today, possibly later, possibly some other time, is this wiring here is from somewhere down here. And this goes into the tank. But it's got these connectors and the wire's frayed, and I think this wire was hitting the tank, grounding us out. But it also has connectors here. So why are there two sets of connectors? I don't know. What I want to do is find the tank first, which is right there. Tip it up. Don't spill a lot of fuel out of it. And rewire this. Probably we'll cut these back and actually solder everything together. And make this a solid connection where this is the only disconnect down here. And then I might even heat shrink all of this and make it look all nice all the way down. I don't know yet. I haven't gone that crazy in my head of what exactly I want to do, but I'm going to make it look nicer than this. We have other wiring to deal with, including this ground that was for what was it for? No, the relay here, which I think this is my relay here. Let's see on the 650 here. My 650, there's a... Oh no, that's not the relay. Where's the relay? Oh, my relay here, LED flasher relay, which is a 2-pin, and it was 3 originally. So I'm wondering if I can just purchase another one of these relays. Do you guys see that? I don't even know if you can see that. That I've tucked in here, and this has to be tucked in a certain way so that it stays. I remember this now. So that I can have the flasher relay work for all of this. Either that, or I'm going to look up what relay this originally had, because the original wiring is for these two, and then these don't look LED to me anywhere. So why would you need a different relay for it? Yeah, these aren't. So, anywho, we'll play with that too. Yeah, let's just get to it. Let's hit it hard. Carbs need the bottoms connected. Or the floats, the covers. I don't know what they're called. They're not floats. Bowls. There we go. We need the bowls reconnected. So we're going to reconnect those. Talk to the owner. We're going to redo the top bolts to stainless steel at some point. And maybe I'll run to the store. Maybe not tonight. Maybe it's too late. But we're going to get stainless steel for the top of this so it doesn't rust out anymore. And then it will be a lot easier to take off if we ever have to. So wish me luck. I'm going to get to this. You guys relax. Be back when something interesting happens. All right, YouTube. Zen back to correct himself here. This here goes to the underside of the tank, and it's a fuel gauge, not a pump. I don't know why I would think it was a pump. It's got a petcock. It's got a primary or whatever. So why would it have a fuel gauge? Why? Why would you even think that, Zan? Come on, man. What were you thinking? Yeah, so... my fault. Fuel gauge under the tank, which still could have been shorting something out. It is still electrical, but not pump. Okay, we good? You guys forgive me? Please? Please? You do? Perfect. Okay. We're getting back to it. Okay, YouTube, bike is back together. Got the old spark plugs in, tightened down, carbs are in. Played them a little bit. They seem to be pulling some fuel up. Yep, smells like fuel. There's nothing leaking. Cool. Got the petcock set to on, which means through vacuum it will work, supposedly. I tried to start it a couple times. I didn't really get anywhere with it. Cleaned off some stuff. There's a lot of electrical spiderwebbed and messed around here. I don't know what's supposed to be where. I don't know if something's disconnected yet. I'm going to go through some more, try to figure out what's going on with this bike. It didn't want to start. I don't have the right battery for it though, so maybe that's all it is. I don't know. I don't think so. I think there's something else going on here, like is there a side stand switch that's stopping? Well, no, you probably would stop it from turning over. But there's some more electrical in here that we probably have to deal with. Some more fun stuff that's going on. I don't even know what that is down here. More electrical. Oh, yep. So, I think I'm gonna call it a night there. Here, I'm gonna wait until the parts come in for it, change the spark plugs out, and put the right battery in, minimal, before I try to start it again. I also have this hose, which I got to look at where this goes. I don't know if it's a vent hose or if it's supposed to go to the breather box that's no longer here. I mean, the length kind of suggests that it should go into something over here, but I don't know for sure. There's also one over here. Like, I don't know where those are supposed to go because there's nothing for them. Are they supposed to be fuel lines? I doubt it. Like, it's supposed to be part of a fuel system. I doubt it because it's the fuel line here. Yeah, but some stuff I got to inspect and explore here, along with some more cleaning to do, and maybe we'll do a compression test once we get the right stuff before we even try to pull the plugs out, do a compression test, make sure the compression's good in it. One thing we should check before we call it a night is, if we can, I don't know why I'm doing this low, it's on a lift, I could lift it up, is check the oil, which might be, it's completely dark in there. I can't see any. I think I get a better flashlight for this. Yeah, there's the clutch. Cool. Oh, duh, obviously the clutch is on this side. What am I saying? Duh. Yep. It's not leaking oil. That's good, I guess. Yeah, it looks super full. Where's my flashlight? I don't see any air in there, and it's above the full line. I don't know if that would cause any problems. Kind of doubt it, but we'll see. I'm going to check that tomorrow because I was turning the bike over and over and over a couple hundred times, so maybe that was part of it. But yeah, I'm going to call it a night. We're gonna tackle this again tomorrow, maybe the next day. That'll be the next day for you guys, or the next episode. But we're gonna keep working on it. We're getting close. Yeah, I don't really know right now. It's late. I gotta take a break and regather my thoughts, read some manuals, fall asleep with a manual in my face. You know how it is. But until next time, I've been Zan. This is the GS650GL Day 2 completion. Completion as in I'm completely done. And stick around for more. We'll be back in the next one. Bye for now.